and to the United States. Students, faculty, and staff gathered at LaGuardia Community College on Tuesday to mark 100 years since Japan gave a gift of thousands of cherry trees to the U.S. in the early 1900s. The Consul General of Japan in New York gave the gift of 2 more cherry trees that were planted in the college's courtyard.
This is a multicultural university, and we would like to promote mutual understanding between our 2 countries.
To have the relationship that we have with the Japanese consulate has been extraordinary. There are opportunities for our students.
Tuesday's celebration was just one part of the college's Asian Heritage Celebration. For more information, you can go to lagcc.cuny.edu/AHC. And that will